Hey everyone, for those of you who don't know me, I'm a tool fanatic, whether it be in the shop or in the kitchen. My kitchen has wall-to-wall KitchenAid for the last 5 years, about every product they make, and my shop's pretty well equipped as well. Now on this channel is Forward Country Outdoors, so today what we're going to be doing is trying out my new handy dandy little oven here. Now I got this here to possibly use on the boat. I've got the electric grill on there and I seen this and thought it was a pretty neat little product. So we're going to give it a try. But what we have here, ta-da, is our Ninja Woodfire. Now I have not used this. As you can see, it is brand spanking new. So we're going to learn this thing together. So to start off with, we're going to be cooking a roast. And for that roast, it tells us in our little book here that we want to do 2-stage cooking. The first one will be 700 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. The second one will be 325 degrees for 2 to 2.5 hours. So without further ado, let's see if we can get this thing figured out. Now we're going to be smoking, because this is a smoker, electric smoker, no charcoal or anything needed, just needs 1750 watts of electricity. And some of these pellets here. So we're going to first load the pellets and get that out of the way. It says to use a 1/4 cup of pellets. Now this little book here is included with the cooker and it's got recipes in it, instructions and all that sort of stuff. So once you loaded your pellets into your handy dandy little scooper, you come over here to the side and open this up, pull out your little tray, pour your pellets into the tray, and then load the tray back into the oven. Like I said, it tells us we want to do a 2-stage cooking, so we'll turn this puppy on. And we're going to do max roast or specialty roast. I think we'll do a specialty roast. All right, so it tells us first it wants our temperature to be 700 degrees for, what was it? 700 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. So time, we'll do 15. And then stage 2, it tells us 325 for 2 to 2.5 hours. So we're going to turn this down. Let me move out the way here. So we're going to turn this down to 325 for let's say 2 hours and 15 minutes. All right, we're starting now. It's in the preheat mode. Not quite sure how long that'll take. I think we've got plenty of current going to it, so it shouldn't take that long. So while we're waiting on that, I'll describe what we're cooking. What I got here, I'm putting 4 taters on there with it, and we have a chuck roast. It's about 2.5 pounds. Last night I injected this with my favorite stuff, which is Dale's. Then I rubbed it with some Kingsford Smokehouse Classic and salt and peppered it and let it sit in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. And it smells very delicious. See if y'all can get a good look at that. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. My taters don't roll off. All right, so while we're waiting on that to preheat, we're going to pause this video or stop this video, and then we'll pick it up once the oven's ready. We'll see y'all then. Okay, and we're back. The ovens took about 10 minutes to preheat. It's now saying press start, add food, and we'll do that in just a moment. Just to show you one more time what we got here. We've got about a 2.5 pound roast, and I put 4 taters in there with it, and give you a little better look at it. Can y'all see that? Hope so. So we're gonna add that, we're gonna press start, and that'll get the whole ball to rolling. All right, food's added. Press start. Like I said, we added our wood pellets in there to get the smoke flavor. This is an outdoor oven. Reason being is it's a smoker. You don't want to smoke up your house. But now it's raining outside, so we are in the shop, which gives me an opportunity to use my backdrop that you see here. It's a 10 by 20. Had it for quite a while, never had opportunity to use it, so it's kind of nice to use that. And our cameraman today is the DJI Pocket 3. And I had to follow me on, so wherever I go, it goes. Now you may hear some noise because, like I said, it is raining, it has a metal roof. But I'll show you we are in the shop. Now, the first stage on this here is going to be at 700 degrees, as mentioned previously. And I believe it was for 10 to 15 minutes. And then the second stage is 325 degrees for 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, it is 2 to 3 hours. Okay, I think we set it for 2.5. It'll do all this fully automatic, so we do not have to sit here with the machine. We're gonna let it do its thing, and we'll come back later and check on it in about 2 hours. So we'll see you then. And we're back. It's been just a little over 2 hours, about 2 hours and 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull this out. The whole shop is smelling great. It's a little smoky, so I had to turn on the fan. But we're gonna pull this out and see how it turned out. Get me some mitts on here, because this thing is extremely hot. And we'll see if we can get it out of there. A lot of juice is flowing. Now this pan is extremely heavy, and this kit that I got when I purchased this, it come with this bake pan, come with the rack, it come with a pizza stone and a pizza peel. Now they don't all come with all that, but I got this in a Labor Day sale, and they were including a lot of the accessories. I think typically they just come with the pan, the grill that goes in there, the cover, and I believe that's about it. No, they come with a stone too, but to get the pizza peel and all that, it's kind of extra. So we're going to cut this open. First, I'm going to show it to y'all. Let me do one little thing here first. And then we'll cut it open and see what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna show it to y'all. Potatoes look like they done too. See if I can get y'all a pretty decent shot of how that looks. Maybe y'all can see that, maybe can't, don't know. Can't tilt it too much because there's a lot of grease in there. But I'm gonna slice a piece of it off and hold it up to the camera so y'all can see how it turned out. And just to go over the details again, this was cooked at first stage at 700 degrees. And then the second stage at 325, and oh my God, that looks good. So Can y'all see that there? I mean, that's about perfect. Let's check one of our taters. Oh yeah, them taters is super moist. Well, all right, folks, that was the Ninja Woodfire grill. Go ahead and cut it off. And like I said, it is a smoker. It's designed for outdoor use. It was raining today, so of course we did it inside in the shop. And my little DJI Pocket 3 worked great. I hope y'all like my backdrop. Got a little wagon wheel there. As you can see, the garage door over there. We are in the shop. But that'll be it for this video. So far, really impressed with this. Works really good. I mean, getting up to 700 degrees, that's pretty remarkable. So we'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.